Here is a popular instant spicy side dish for idlis, dosas, upma, rice, etc. This is made with jackfruit seeds, bikkand, starfruit, karbal, and turkey berry, chundepal. You may also use birmi karbal or tree sorrel. To make this humman, take a handful of chundepal, some kernels, and a handful of pecans. Remove the white skin of the seeds and slice. Add some salt and keep aside. Now to trim the edges of the star fruit and peel the ridges. Slice into roundels. Now half each chundepal. You can see they have many seeds. Add salt to both the karbal and chundepal and keep aside for some time. The bikkand is now ready to be cooked. You may also add a small piece of bitter gourd or a potato or a small colocasia. We have to remove some of the seeds of the chundepal as it may create tummy aches for some persons. Squeeze them well so the seeds come out like this. Now wash them well so that only a few seeds remain.
नमस्कार. आम्ही आता शेंचे चढ व्हिडिओज केले नस ते सगळं तुम्ही व्यू करून तीर्चयाയിട്ടും तुमगेला अभिप्राय सगळं घालका मी रांदूचे सगळं आम व्हिडिओज काढता ते सगळं लायक करून येल्पूतू एडिट करून घालता त्यावेळी आम्ही आमकां जाल्यार सपोर्ट तुम्ही दिला तर आमकां आनीक व्हिडिओज करूं असेल प्रेरणा मेळटली त्यावेळी तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी लायक करका तुमगे फ्रेंड्स आली शेअर करका सब्सक्राइब करूंक सांगू काय बाय.
Now heat a pan with a little oil. Splatter a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Then add a teaspoon of urad dal and a half spoon of methi seeds. When they brown, switch off and then add a tablespoon of chili powder according to your spice level. Half spoon of hing too. Now add the jackfruit seeds. Add enough water and let cook. Add only a little salt as we have already salted the other veggies. When the bikkand has cooked, add the starfruit and the chundepal. Add water if needed. And let cook till done. You may add a teaspoon of rice powder to thicken the humman. Or crush a few of the jackfruit seeds. Switch off when done. Now serve this as a side dish and enjoy a delicious meal. As always, like, share and subscribe.